Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to discuss about one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session. That is Monday, Feb the 20th, friends. We are also going to discuss about Nifty and Banknifty. Coming to our previous video, we had given Bajaj Auto for a buy. You can see Bajaj Auto made a clear double bottom kind of a pattern and continued to go up. I'll draw the pattern just if you are not able to see it. This is the first bottom followed by second bottom, and there was a break followed by a retest and straight to the target. Towards the end of the day, you could see it was consolidating in this kind of a pattern, which is also known as a downward channel. Perfect analysis. We told you should not be looking at this particular head and shoulder. This is just a trap, is what we felt, and that's exactly what happened. But then only thing is the target for this head and shoulder was met after hitting the stop loss. Anyone who would have sold it somewhere here would have their stop loss here. That would have got kicked out, and someone fortunate enough would have sold it here for this target. Okay, anyways, that's about budget. Coming to our sell stock, which was Sun Pharma, you can see only one candle green. After that, continuously downward rally. Even when Nifty, Banknifty started going up from somewhere here, it has continued its fall. Okay, so perfect target met on this one. Coming to analysis for Nifty, Banknifty, you can see, friends, Nifty has not been able to sustain the levels above this particular resistance zone. Okay, we discussed about this big seller here who is making it go down, and this big support or resistance zone, whatever you call it, it was not able to sustain above that. What happened is there was gap up. This gap up was above this particular resistance line, but the gap up was not because of strength in Nifty or Bank Nifty, friends. It was because of global pressure. After that, it continued to fall. What do we see in it now? Now see, I'm using 15-minute chart to analyze this. This was the situation till yesterday. Okay. So this was a upward kind of a channel that was forming. Now after this happened, situation changed a little. Now this is the situation. The upper channel got a little more high, but lower channel is the same. Okay. So if I remove this, you can now see that it is the same picture again. Okay. It is kind of a upward channel. What would happen now? It has been consolidating since February itself, start of February. Now, I would say it will continue to consolidate this channel, narrow the channel furthermore, and finally when it will come to this particular zone like this, that's when it will probably give a breakout or a breakdown or a breakout. That's when it will happen. So, for next few days, we would see sideways momentum only, is what I feel, friends. Now, if in case you see a kind of a gap down here, would you clearly go ahead and sell? The answer is no. We should wait for more confirmations. Okay, we would wait retracement followed by some kind of a M pattern or some kind of a channel that is forming like this, which is narrowing, and that is when we can go ahead and create sell positions. If you get it somewhere here, first thing that I would be doing is buying it for it to go back to the channel, friends. That's how I see it Nifty. More importantly, now if we analyze the same thing in a smaller time frame, say 5 minutes, what do we see there? See, this is your top, this is your bottom. At the bottom, we see a clear W pattern or a double bottom pattern and a breakout, followed by an attempt for a retest. There are 4 red candles and followed by a green candle here. Okay, I hope you are able to see them. Okay, so now if this area is broken, okay, then we can create buy positions at test here for this area as a target, friends. Now what is the worst thing that can happen, is it will go ahead and break this line. Okay, by coming down, straight down, it will break this trend line like this. That's when we'll retest till here or probably here and then sell. Why here? The reason is simple. This is the same that we are talking about. If it retraces till here, we can create sell positions at any kind of negative candle, friends. That's how we would be trading Nifty for tomorrow. Now, are we bullish, bearish? It is in a confusing state at this moment. The reason being simple. There is a clear channel, but it is not able to break the channel. In case it breaks the channel and takes a retest and continues downwards, then we will create sell positions for the bottom, friends. But in my opinion, this would go back in the channel is what I feel. Coming to Bank Nifty. Similar is the case here, friends. Bank Nifty in 5 minutes, you can see it made a bottom, retraced and continued its journey upwards. Now if I am drawing a Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, it has gone ahead and faced rejection at exactly first retracement levels, which is the 23.6 levels. And look at this. It formed a candle called Doji. Doji followed by a next candle which went below that, and the next candle that closed below the Doji. Very well says that it is now bearish. How would we create positions? Now see, at break of this, we can create downward positions or sell positions. But let's analyze it in 30 minutes again, just like we did in Nifty. See, here, this was a flat kind of a trend line, and this, okay, this was your trend line that was created from the bottom, and you can see that trend line was broken the day before itself, followed by clear downward momentum. Now it has already crossed this channel is what I can say this case, and more importantly, this selling zone which we were talking about has not been touched in Bank Nifty, friends. So we can create sell positions here itself, or I would say it will also consolidate within this particular channel if it doesn't go down. So this would be the channel. This would be the upper channel. Let's make it blue so that it is visible. And this would be your lower channel. So this would become a kind of a sideways channel in which it will continue to consolidate. So up, down, up, up, down in the same kind of a zone is what Bank Nifty can also do, is what I feel. Now, if in case it wants to go down, it breaks this small trend line, continues downwards to break even this trend line, friends. Okay, that's when we can wait for a retest like this and then get down sell positions till this bottom. Okay, now what is important? We already discussed that, but I'm just going to reiterate it. I told you yesterday in the sense in the previous video, that Nifty is comparatively strong than Bank Nifty. If you are creating sell positions, create it in Bank Nifty is what I told you. See, that is exactly what happened. You can see good gap down followed by down momentum there. Okay, this downward momentum almost touched the bottom of the 3rd of Feb. Well, Nifty, if you look at 3rd of Feb, it is somewhere here. Okay, Nifty is very, very strong is what it looks like. It did not come till here at all. It stayed there. That's exactly what is important and how we analyze things, friends. To buy stock for the day. Buy stock for the day would be ONGC, friends. I've already shown you the reasons. The first reason is you can see that it is continuously in a uptrend from here. Okay, it has also broken this particular area and continued its journey upwards. Now what do? It has retraced till its first retracement level, which is 23.6 levels. Now if in case you see it somewhere here below this, we would go ahead and ignore the stock. But if you see it crossing this area, friends, okay, this area, okay, as soon as it crosses this particular area, we can create buy positions for the top as your first target, and it can further go upwards, friends. Okay, that is when we can use the trailing stop loss method to book higher targets. That's your reason number 1. one, Fibo. Reason number two, where did it take its rejection? It is exactly at the support zone, friends. See, look at this support. Exactly at the support is when it took its resistance. See, this was the resistance. It went up and now it became support, and it's continuing its journey upwards. So it's continuing to make higher highs also. This is your first high. This is your second high. This is your third high. Okay, higher lows and higher highs. First high, second high, and third high. So when it is making higher highs and higher lows at a bullish kind of a place, that very well indicates that it is going to make an upward momentum, friends. Okay, that is your other reason for buy on ONGC. Coming to the sell stock, friends, we are choosing Hindustan Unilever for a sell. Reason number one, you can see the trend, it is continuously in the downtrend. Reason number two, this is on the bottom, one of the top, and one of the bottom is at this level. So if I'm drawing a Fibo, you can see it has taken rejection at the first retracement level, which is the 23.6 levels. Reason number three, if I remove all this and draw a simple trend line like this, you can see it has attempted to break this trend line. Now, if in case you find it somewhere here tomorrow morning or even here, you can create sell positions for those of us who are very aggressive. Others can wait for this trend line to break for further downward momentum. And last but not the least reason, tell me what pattern is this, friends? I want to see the answer in the comments. I want you to write the name of the stock, Hindustan Unilever, and the name of this pattern. Once that is there, and if it is done correctly, you will see it going downwards, friends. So that is all we have for today in this video. I hope you liked the video. Hit that like button if you did. Also share it with your friends, family members, basically anyone who is looking forward to make money from stock market, friends. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable tomorrow, friends.